Hello and welcome to Airlight Geospatial, and this is Shamaki. Uh, I find myself in one state, and there's this quote that said, "The day you stop learning, you start dying." It's a more philosophical quote that is widely attributed to Albert Einstein, and also I this could also come my mind while this thing happened to me today. That learning never ends. It is more like a lifelong journey, and for as long as we live, we continue to grow and learn through experiences. So today I had this. I have this Excel file XYZ. So I was trying to uh, take it into Excel because if you want to import this into ArcGIS, you have to use as CSV because this does not ArcGIS does not recognize this Notepad. So I just copied this and I took it to Excel and I just pasted it. It didn't work, so I Control Z. I paste right click again and I went through Spatial. I did all of these say text. It still didn't work. Well, so while I was playing around, I just realized that. So I came to data. So from data, I went to text to CSV. Alright, so from text to CSV, I went to change it to all files and I select this second band, and then I click on import. So you can see, voila, it just came out with all of this and it has 200 rows, and I just click on load it. There's another stuff that said transform. You want to look at it properly before you import it, so I can just so that's it. It just came in as a CSV. So all you need to do is to just make this into an X, into a Y, and into a Z, and that's all. So you just export this as CSV. So I'm just going to say this is cow in Kano. So I'm just going to leave this, export it as CSV, and I'm going to click on save. So, and that's it. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. For now, it's Learning with Shamaki, and bye bye.